This is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service. A heavy snow band will affect Ottawa, northern Seneca, Erie, northern Medina, Lake, Sandusky, Lorain, northern Portage, northern Huron, Geauga, Cuyahoga, northern Summit, Wood and Lucas counties through 8:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:53 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, radar indicated heavy snow showers along a line extending from near Euclid to 8 miles east of Kelly's Island to near Swanton, moving generally southward at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour, near zero visibility, and up to 2 inches of quick snow accumulation. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Toledo, Lorain, Elyria, Bowling Green, Sandusky, Painesville, Norwalk, Fremont, Willowick, Fostoria, Ravenna, Vermilion, Port Clinton, Chardon, Swanton, Kelly's Island, Put-in-Bay, Parma, and Lakewood. Use extra caution if you must travel. Rapid changes in visibility and potentially slick roads may lead to accidents.